Taulava, born March 2, 1973, is a Tongan-born Filipino former professional basketball player in the Philippine Basketball Association (PBA). Standing 6 feet 9 in 2.06 meters tall and weighing 245 pounds or 111 kilograms. Taulava is considered by many to be one of the greatest and most dominant Filipino basketball players to ever play the Sente, our position in the PBA. Throughout his 24-year career in the league, Taulava has used his size and strength to overpower opponents' 4 points and rebounds. He is also a many-time member of the Philippine national team in international competitions. Following his career in the PBL, Taulava entered the PBA in 1999, when he was directly hired by the Mobiline Phone Pals. With his performance, he quickly emerged as one of the top centers in the league, even winning the 2003 MVP award. After 8 years with Talk and Text, he was traded to the Coca-Cola Tigers, where he played until 2010. He was later traded to the Meralco Bolts, leading the team for 2 seasons with his presence and style. In 2012, Taulava decided to leave the PBA to play for the San Miguel Beermen in the ABL after a brief stint in the league. He returned to the PBA in 2013, where he signed for the Air 21 Express. Taulava's individual accolades include the 2003 MVP Award, 2 All-Star Game MVP awards, and the 2013 ABL MVP award. However, Taulava is also one of the most controversial figures in Philippine basketball due to his numerous issues about his citizenship since he arrived in the local basketball scene in 1997. He is also known for his dyed hair, although he has also shaved his head bald numerous times in the past. His moniker is The Rock. Taulava is also a brand ambassador of the sports clothing brand Under Armour Philippines. In 2002, Taulava played for Team Philippines in the 2002 Asian Games in Bisan, Korea. Taulava showed promise during the said tournament in a center, but had a hard time guarding Chinese center Yao Ming. In the end, the Philippines went home without a medal after suffering a harsh defeat in the semifinals against host Korea and even losing the bronze medal against Kazakhstan. In 2005, Taulava was added in the Team Pilipinas training pool of caught rays. He was part of the country's third-place finish in the William Jones Cup tournament behind passing lane sports of the United States and host Chinese Taipei. Taulava also led Team Filipinas to the championship of the 5th Brunei Sultan Cup. In 2007, Taulava was once again a national team member in 2007 FIBA Asia Championship. In Japan, despite Taulava's tremendous performance as center, the team failed to pass the preliminary round, which was considered the group of death, winning only one game against China and losing to eventual champion Iran and Jordan. In 2011, Taulava retired from international competitions after the stint at the 2011 FIBA Asia Championship. Taulava has been a member of the Philippines men's national basketball team since 2002. In 2015, he returned to international competitions. He played for the national team at the 2015 FIBA Asia Championship, where the Philippines took home the silver. In 2018, he was part of the 12-man lineup of the Philippines men's basketball team for the 2018 Asian Games at Jakarta and Palembang, Indonesia. He played with Phil-Am NBA star Jordan Clarkson and finished 5th overall. Controversy: Taulava's citizenship has been questioned ever since he arrived in the PBL in 1998, a government scrutiny from 1999 to 2000 about the alleged number of fake foreign cagers led to his deportation in April 2000. Taulava proved his citizenship when he returned to the country. In 2001, 3 years later, his name became a subject of DOJ's scrutiny on the said issue that led to his indefinite suspension in the PBA. It is claimed that Taulava's mother, Pauline Hernandez Matiaki, was born in the Samar province. However, the documents are said to be inaccurate. Some reports even claim Hernandez was born in Tonga. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.